do programmers actually do? Have you ever wondered what programmers actually do all day? Do they just stare at code like it's the Matrix? Or type mysterious symbols that somehow turn into websites and apps? Well, today, we're diving into the real world of programming. What programmers actually do, how they solve problems, and why it's more creative than you might think. What is programming? At its core, programming is about telling computers what to do, step by step. A programmer writes instructions using languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++, so that a computer can perform specific tasks, from displaying a web page, to processing a payment, to flying a drone. Think of it like writing a recipe for a robot chef. If you forget a step, or make a mistake, the robot gets confused. That's why programmers spend a lot of time thinking carefully before they type even a single line of code. What programmers actually do. So, what does a programmer's day really look like? 1. Writing code. This is the obvious one. Programmers write code to build things. It could be a website, a mobile app, a video game, or even software that runs inside a car. 2. Debugging. Every programmer's favorite part, fixing bugs. Sometimes the code doesn't work the way it should. Programmers investigate what went wrong, test solutions, and finally yell, "Yes," when it runs without errors. 3. Planning and designing. Before coding, programmers discuss how to build the system. They create diagrams, flowcharts, or documents to plan out how all the pieces fit together. 4. Testing. Programmers test their software to make sure it's reliable, fast, and secure. They might write automated tests, bits of code that check other code. 5. Collaborating. Contrary to the stereotype, programmers don't just sit alone in dark rooms. They work in teams, review each other's code, and talk with designers, managers, and clients to make sure everything works as intended. Different kinds of programmers. Not all programmers do the same thing. There are many types. Web developers build websites and web apps. Mobile developers make apps for iPhones and Android devices. Game developers bring virtual worlds to life. Data scientists write code to find patterns in data. Systems engineers make sure the servers, databases, and infrastructure run smoothly. And AI engineers train models that help computers learn. Each type requires different skills, but they all share the same mindset. Solve problems with logic and creativity. Why programming matters. Programming is everywhere. It powers your phone, your car, your bank, even the toaster with Wi-Fi you didn't ask for. Programmers shape the world around us by creating tools, automating work, and solving problems that once seemed impossible. Whether it's medical software, saving lives, or indie devs making games for fun, coding is the foundation behind it all. So the next time you see a programmer typing away, remember, they're not just writing code, they're building the future, one line at a time. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe for more tech content, and tell us in the comments, what kind of programmer do you